Here's a look at this Venom Wart and Corn Remover. Thought I'd just open it up on camera so you guys can see how it comes packaged, what it's looking like. So it comes packaged in this branded cardboard box right here. You get a little instruction manual. And then here's the bottle itself. It's glass, plastic cap on it. And then here's your little brush to brush the liquid onto your wart. Open this up, it's got a seal on it. And then there's the liquid inside of there. Has a little bit of like a tiny bit of like an alcohol kind of smell, but it's really not super strong and not too bad. And then this brush you can just attach to the little piece inside of that cap right there. So now you've got the brush on the end of your cap and you can use the product that way. So really simple to use, really simple to apply. Doesn't smell too terrible. I think you'll be pretty happy with this product right here.